What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Caesar. I got another unboxing video for you guys, and you guys could already tell I had to triple up today. Okay, I got two pairs right here. We got another pair we're gonna unbox right now. I went to the mall today. I live in San Diego. I hit up Foot Locker, and so I got a size 10 at Foot Locker. One of these is size 10 right here. And then I went to Champs at another mall and I got a size 10 and a size 8. Size 8 right there. So guys, you gotta get out there. You gotta go to your malls. Like, I was busy yesterday. Oh, well, actually, when you guys are watching this, probably 2 days ago, I was busy on Saturday when they actually came out at the stores. So I went Sunday, and there was very limited. That's why I only got an 8 and a 10 here. If I would have went on Saturday, I probably could have caught my pair, size 11. I could have got a smaller pair, size 7. It's selling real good right now. So let's open this up and check it out. And I do want to tell you guys, I did Champs and Foot Locker, and this is all points right here, you guys. Build up the Flex account. I can't tell you guys, I can't stress anymore about building up the Flex account. You guys, when I walked in there and I saw this on the shelf, I was like, what is going on right now? I took an L. I took 3 L's on the sneaker app. I have 2 accounts. The wifey has an account. We took L's, like, straight up. So I did not think that I was gonna walk into a store and actually see these. So right when I walked in, like, I was like, guys, I couldn't believe it. Like, check out all the detail on this, you guys. Air Max 90s. They're called the Pine Green on the box, but everybody knows they're the St. Patrick's. And like, look at all that. I gotta hide my head so you guys can see the detail. So you guys could see all the 4-leaf clovers in there, and this is so nice. Like, it's textured. You could actually feel it. Like, these are so sick, you guys. I can't believe they had them there, because like, this is before St. Patrick's Day, because the ones on sneakers, like, I don't know the people that are gonna get their pair like on time. If you did you know, overnight shipping or 2-day shipping, you'll get them on time. But if you didn't, you might not be rocking them on St. Patrick's Day. But you don't have to just do St. Patrick's Day. You guys know if you have any green, because you got the lime green and you got the regular, like, dark green. So if you guys got the green, you guys know you could rock these. It doesn't have to be St. Patrick's Day. So you guys, like I said, size 10 right here, another size 10. They're gonna be all for resale. Sorry, you guys are hating on me that I'm reselling, but that is the name of the game, and I try to quick flip these. I actually sold the 2 10s, and I'm waiting for the size 8 to sell still. I only made a couple dollars off the first size 10 because I had a Foot Locker $10 off coupon. You guys, when you guys go to Foot Locker and you buy anything, on the receipt they give you a little survey that you click on, and you could just go, you could do it on your phone. All you have to do is a quick survey. It takes no more than 2 minutes, and all you have to do is you know, yes, you like the service, all that good stuff, and then within an hour they're gonna send you an email that has a $10 off coupon, and that's how I got $10 off on this purchase. So I made a couple bucks on one. I actually lost $1 on the other. If these size 8 sell where they're supposed to, I'm gonna make $5. And you guys, I know that's not a lot of money, right? But like I said, I can't stress how much I want to build my Flex account. That way I'm gonna be taking nothing but W's from Foot Locker, from Champs, from Foot Action. The closest Foot Action I have is 85 miles away, but I mean, if it's a hyped up release that everybody wants, that's up there, you know, if I'm gonna make probably like $200 off of it, I do not mind driving 85 miles at all, you guys. So I'm telling you that right now. So anyways, if you guys copped on the sneakers, if you guys copped at Foot Locker, you guys let me know in the comment box below. Hope you guys like this video. You know, comment, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll check you guys out on the next video.